Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Before I begin, I would advise all my viewers to check links of valuable resources related to CSCP exam in the description box of my video. Let's start with question number 1. The level of collaboration is being held back by one partner. Their systems are old and they don't seem to want to invest in the collaboration process. You should A. Remove this partner for a better suited partner. B. Try to bring them along. C. Educate them as to the benefits of the process. D. Train their people on the process. The correct answer is A. With business being competitive and fast paced, partners that don't want to invest in the process should not be part of the process. While it can be painful and time consuming to find a suitable partner, it is far better solution than keeping a company that does not want to invest in the collaboration process. The whole supply chain would be harmed. Question number 2. Without senior management commitment to true collaboration, companies will tend to A. Maintain collaborative relationships. B. Work together well as long as the framework is complete. C. Flourish due to lack of interference. D. Revert to their self-interest. The correct answer is D. Like any large-scale project, senior management commitment and involvement is necessary for long-term success. Companies will tend to revert to their self-interests if senior managers do not make collaboration a priority. Question number 3. There are many barriers to collaboration in a supply chain. Some are very difficult to overcome while others may be easy to resolve. Which of the following barriers would be most difficult to overcome? A. Technology issues. B. Lack of trust. C. Cooperation, working with competitors. D. Differing cultures. The correct answer is B. Most barriers to collaboration can be overcome if there is trust in the relationship. As long as the parties trust each other, there can be open dialogue and shared goals. However, if trust does not exist, every problem will be approached with suspicion towards the other party. It interferes with problem solving. Question number 4. The type of supply chain a company develops is dependent on many factors such as complexity, the number of suppliers available, and the risk associated with the supplier base. A company makes aeroplanes for the military would probably require A. Strategic alliances, B. Commodity parts, C. Modern ERP systems, D. Cross communications. The correct answer is A. When a company is producing complex products and the number of suppliers is few, the company is probably going to need strategic alliances in order to be able to produce the products necessary. Because the products are complex, commodity products will not be sufficient. Question number 5. When there are very few or only one supplier for an available product, it is most likely that a company will form which of the following relationships with its suppliers? A. Commodity buying. B. Arm's length. C. Strategic alliance. D. Group purchasing organization. The correct answer is C. When there are few or only one supplier and maybe a competitor for a particular component or part, it is critical that the company form a strategic alliance with the only supplier. The difficulty is that if your supplier is also a competitor, then the relationship is more difficult to maintain. Question number 6. Organizational design is important to the success of the supply chain. When formal communication is lacking, meetings are disorganized, and there is little or no training. The organization is at which stage? A. Stage 1, B. Stage 2, C. Stage 3, D. Stage 4. The correct answer is A. Organizational design is as important to the supply chain as to the individual company. Stage 1 supply chains are characterized by disorganization, poor communication, and little or no training. This stage supply chain will be very ineffective in achieving supply chain goals. Question number 7. Technology has played a great part in the success of supply chains. Which of the following has played the most important part in moving the supply chain forward? A. Integrated networks. B. ERP systems. C. MRP systems. D. Microsoft. The correct answer is A. Integrated networks have played the most important part in the growth of the integrated supply chain. The networks, particularly the internet, have allowed companies with different systems to communicate with each other and share plans. Without the networks, real time information sharing would not be possible. Question number 8. Oftentimes, companies will have multiple supply chains to supply different market needs. Which of the following is necessary to match the supply chain strategy with the marketplace needs? A. Personal skills assessment. B. Supplier capability assessment. D. Customer survey of needs. D. Comprehensive market assessment. The correct answer is D. In order to match the supply chain strategy to the market, a comprehensive market assessment is needed. This would include the size of the market, the demographics of the market, the buying habits of the people in the demographics, etc. Overall, the market needs to be analyzed to ensure that the supply chain that is developed meets the marketplace. Question number 9. In recent years, there has been a trend to have other companies handle those parts of the business that are not your company's core competence. This process is called A. Exporting, B. Offshoring, C. Outsourcing, D. Outside processing. The correct answer is C. Outsourcing is the process of having another company handle those activities that are not core to your company's competence. The outsourcing activities may include having product made offshore, but outsourcing can include having parts made onshore as well. Question number 10. Which of the following would not be considered part of landed cost? A. Shipping costs. B. Custom fees. C. Marketing costs. D. Purchase cost. The correct answer is C. Generally, marketing costs are part of general and administrative costs. Landed cost refers to the costs that are added to the purchase cost when products are outsourced overseas and brought to the USA. The landed cost refers to all of the costs associated with getting the product landed in the USA. Question number 11. Your company sells a complex electronic component known for its design. Which of the following operations should not be outsourced? A. Product design. B. Manufacturing. C. Purchasing. D. Logistics. The correct answer is A. The product design is the part of the product for which the company is known. This would be the core competence and should not be outsourced. The other operations listed would be candidates for outsourcing. Question number 12. In measuring product introductions, which of the following would not be a performance measure? A. Internal failure rate. B. Warranty costs. C. Returns. D. Market share. The correct answer is D. When a product is first introduced, there can be problems with the product, which will cause more returns, warranty costs, and big failure rates, both internal and external. Market share is a measure of the product's position in the marketplace over time. Product introductions build market share over an extended period. Question number 13. Perfect order fulfillment is a measure of supply chain reliability. All of the following are part of the measure except A. Product ordered is the product provided. B. Quantity ordered is the quantity provided. C. All documentation is complete. D. Returns are handled correctly. The correct answer is D. Supply chain reliability measures the perfect order percentage for reliability. Returns are not included in the calculation. Question number 14. The measure of order received to customer acceptance is called A. Order fulfillment cycle time. B. Total product takt time. C. Delivery fulfillment time. D. Production cycle time. The correct answer is A. Order fulfillment cycle time measures the order received to the customer acceptance. It is an estimate of the time to produce the product without inventory and includes the dwell time, the measure of the amount of time the order sits waiting to move to the next stage. Question number 15. In many companies, design engineers design the products without ongoing input from other functional areas. Which of the following best describes why marketing should be involved during the design process? A. They can conduct customer surveys. B. They know what the customer will pay. C. They generate the leads for the product. D. They can establish what the customer is looking for. The correct answer is D. The marketing function can provide ongoing insight into what the customer wants in a new design. Their ongoing involvement, not just in the beginning, will keep the design process on track during the many trade-offs which inevitably occur. Viewers, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon. Thank you.